What's up, guys? It's cold, but we having fun outside. It's a freaking blizzard out here. Hey, y'all come back. Don't you throw that on me. Don't throw it on your sister. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on, let's go. Snow time's over. Snow time's over. Look at everybody playing in the snow. Whoa!
First time going live.
Papa J going live with the snow. Hey, Lacey.
Going live.
Wait! I feel like I peed on my pants.
What? You probably did.
I did not.
You need some socks. You should have some big socks on your ankles. Look at this fool thinking he a penguin.
I did get one.
Riley has her gloves on, but we have to put some plastic over them so they don't soak and get wet. Alright, go inside for a second. This is really a snowstorm. Like, this is crazy right now. We are in freaking Fort Worth, Texas. Snow is all the way at my door. Look at this. This is really a storm. Like, what did we do? No, yeah. This is, what is there to be scared of? It's cold. I don't even think the camera is really picking up how bad this is.
So, for my last video that y'all saw, the power went out again. It's like 2 o'clock this morning. I was up at 2 o'clock. I didn't feel like getting up to tell my parents. So, I fell asleep. And then she woke me up like an hour later. And I was like, yeah, the power went off at 2. So, I thought if I woke up, because I went to sleep again on the couch. And I thought if I woke up, that the power would be back on. It's 11:06. And the power is not on. And the internet acting slow. And I'm charging my phone from my MacBook. Cause I don't know. I think I had put my phone on the charger. Like I said, I had went to sleep. So I think I had to take it off. And I have my AirPods on the charger. Really, I just saw my room because my room is cold.
What's
But
up,
yeah.
y'all?
Only thing we
I
have.
haven't seen me in a while.
Only thing we have is the fireplace going and the stove, like, still cooked. It's, let me see if I can show y'all.
How the picture came out?
Look at this.
In Dallas, it is 9 degrees.
And by the way, we don't
7
got
degrees.
We don't got no internet.
5 degrees. So DMW is just
You don't got no internet.
low.
And my mom.
This is really crazy, y'all. It's 12:30 midnight and it's this bright. It had got dark and then all of a sudden it got back bright. Like, it's nighttime in our house. This is nighttime and this is shining through. And we lifted up our blinds and this is midnight. What is going on?
Only
What was she
one
saying
time.
after she did her
Rock,
rock, paper,
paper,
scissors?
scissors.
I don't know. I gotta look at the video. I got the video.
Yeah. Rock, paper,
Say what?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
We can bring a towel. We can bring the towel.
It is. I don't know what time it
Where
is.
your back? Look. Get your backpack.
It's
put your books
7:04.
And your stuff out your backpack. Put it on your bed and put your stuff in your
And
backpack.
the lights are still out.
Yes, sir. Or I have
We got a couple lights. She's cooking because we have a gas stove, which is good because it's not electrical, so the power, the food is not out. Which I always say I like the gas stoves because of that reason and just because. So we left the fireplace on because we went by our cousin's house. I was literally like around the corner, like 1 minute down the street. We are packing up to go to my cousin's house because can't stay here because the power has not been on in like 10 hours. 9 to 10 hours. So we are leaving the house right now. It is like 11 degrees, 10 degrees. It's supposed to get like to 0 tonight, so we're definitely not staying here. Outside, it literally looks like a ghost town. Like nobody is outside. It smells like barbecue. That's how you know it's cold. Okay, y'all gotta see the snow. Yeah, there goes the snow. Going to the car. It's so dark outside. Yes. It is cold. Survival Things 101. In the car. Yeah, it's completely black outside. The light that you're seeing is the car lights, but everything else is one car, but it's dark outside. Like if y'all ever been to the country, hold up. If y'all ever been to the country, like me, I go to the country every summer. Y'all been to the country, it's dark at night. So now it's just like a ghost town. Like it's just dark. With no stars, nothing but cold clouds. It's dark. But yeah.
But guys, this is them. Hope we don't get crashed. Amen.
Amen.
I don't know where they got that we got a couple of inches from.
Yeah, ain't no couple of inches, y'all. That's that's more than inches.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
We watching the old Funny Mike. But these are like scenes I guess that never been posted, something like that.
Oh yeah.
Cause like the channel is not his. Anyways, I'm about to go outside. See how it feels outside. Like probably like a couple of socks, but yeah.
It is so white, it's bright. It's hurting my freaking eyes. Look at this. This is cray cray. Oh Lord. I can't believe this.
Hey y'all. It is 11:11. And I'm by my cousin's house. But I still just want to say I hope all y'all that don't still have power are okay, because we didn't have power for at least 11 hours, and at my house we still don't have power. So it's been 24 hours at our house that we don't have power, but we were without it for 11 hours. So yeah, I came to my cousin's house. They literally live like a minute or two around the corner. I just feel bad for the elder people. Like, it's cold, it's freezing, and Texas is just not trying to help. Like, the governor should have did better, in my opinion. And it's all over Texas. Like, all over. We live in North Texas. Like, Dallas, DFW, that's considered North Texas. So Houston, all that, that's they down by the water. So, but they still get snow and stuff like that. I think it's San Antonio too. I'm not sure about Austin, all that. But I know in Louisiana too, they got some snow. But it's not as bad as it is. Like, they don't got power outage. I know some people water went out probably. But yeah, all in like North Louisiana too. People got newborn babies and stuff, and they not trying to fix nothing. From what it seemed like, they not trying to fix nothing. So it's just like, then at the stores, all the water and stuff is out. I mean, we went to the store on, like, I think that was Wednesday or Thursday. No, we went to the store on Thursday and Friday. Because they had, they was telling people about it. So we went to the store on Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday and Friday. Why I keep on saying this? So we had got food and stuff like that. That night when I posted my last vlog, we had charged out our phones and stuff like that, like all the laptops and stuff, until the power went out.
They over here. They over here shutting stuff down. Fire marshal. We can't even eat. Go over there. I want to see him. Hurry up. Go over there. I want to see him shut it down.
Look at the snow, look at the snow, look at the snow.
Coming down fast.
Coming down fast.
When he say shut it down, I'm
and
saying, you got some food?
And they right on time. No, you
You
ain't.
recording?
Get your butt in trouble.
I just
It was right here, so you don't get to drive slow because.
Yep.
Well, just
They
go
gonna
put your
start
order
right
in. Just go
front
put your
of
order
the
in.
Domino's too.
If you put your order in, will they still cook it?
No.
They ain't gonna wait for
Girl,
the
they
last
can't
order.
do that. You want to get closed down forever? Fire marshal girl got the right to do whatever. He out?
There you go. Yeah.
He going in?
People can't even eat.
Well, he letting the lady walk in.
Show Liz.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, he telling her no.
No.
Shit. Went into our neighborhood. We can't even see the lines on the street. Yeah, they said at one point we were crowed, but then the lights are on. Yay! Thank you, Eastport.
When you open this door, I see nothing.
But anyways, we made it back home. Our lights came back on. Our power came back on after like 2.5 days, 3 days. We stayed at my cousin's house, like I said, and they came on around like 5 o'clock. My hair, but you know, I'm supposed to be looking right. I'm looking dirty, like that dirty down water by the sea. But it's okay. So I'm just organizing again because everything was a mess.
I'm not my baby.
You are the baby.
So Riley is gonna find the baby in the king
We
cake.
want the baby.
Yeah.
I'm not the baby.
She said we want the baby, and she's not.
We want the baby. I'm not the baby.
Okay, Riley. So this is a Mardi Gras King Cake. We got it from Kroger's.
The baby, 1, 2,
It was made in the New Orleans.
The
finest
baby, a baby.
And explain to them that you gotta find the
This
baby. And
is
That's what I said.
the
I said
baby
You
of
thought
the
it was
baby.
it says the daughter says baby Jesus.
Baby.
A good fortune for whoever gets the baby.
And you tell them if they find the baby, then they have to buy the cake.
The doll represents baby Jesus.
Yeah, Epiphany.
Epiphany. At the Epiphany.
Okay,
and it's a
Riley.
year of good
So-
fortune to whoever finds it.
You should find it now.
All right, go find the baby, Riley.
Okay.
Where's the baby?
Right here.
Where?
Right.
So as you can see, they take the French bread,
Here.
but they make it
Kitchen.
a sweet dough. French bread, a sweet dough, almost like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, that's what it really tastes like.
So this is really French bread?
It's like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I like it.
And Riley like it.
I'm not the baby.
Nobody wanted the baby when we was in school because you didn't want to buy another king cake.
So
I thought it was giving you good luck.
No, nobody wanted the baby.
So-
Don't believe what you see on that thing. Nobody wanted the baby. You was just always like, no. Oh man.
So if you get the baby, you have
you have
to
to buy
buy
a king cake all the way up to Mardi Gras.
So
Right
not
here.
the baby or the baby, but the baby.
Your name first.
Right here at the
King
baby.
baby.
so it's not fresh no more.
It tastes good, yo. Tastes just like a king cake. Oh my goodness.
Right here.
Riley,
It's New Orleans approved.
Riley.
What is this thing on baby? Baby, I found a baby!
Last year was a brown one.
Actually, it's gold. Bronze.
You were supposed to cut the cake until you found it.
I ain't got time for all of that. Riley, we found a baby!
That's the baby.
Right, the baby song. Burger the better. Oh, the baby.
Packing the mail is gone.
Packing that melon is gone. Brush our smell
J3,
cologne.
y'all ain't J3 want to see that.
Yeah. Oh, put it back in here.
No, it's too late now.
J3, come help us find the baby.
I know what it is.
What did you just say? All right, we gotta find it.
No, let
Where
me see
is
the
it?
knife.
Okay, let me
It's
see.
right here.
You found it? Yay, we found the baby.
Well, I found the baby. This is too easy. Whoever did this is
See
weird.
that video.
Awesome.
Last time there was a
High
big
five,
baby.
you found the baby. Go for it.
And they trying to hide the baby.
Yeah.
Last time it was a big baby. This
That was-
time it's some little baby trying to make it like
Man, J3, you fast, man.
Like it? You don't like the baby?
Mother said, ew.
Taste it. You like the...
no baby. This is the baby. We want fire.
Okay.
What?
I found the baby.
She didn't want the baby.
See, mommy, I'm just the best.
There you go.
Marshall.